Okay, so here we'll be looking at the topic races. So we'll be first going through some of the jargon which is normally used in the problems. So there are 4 points to it. So the first one is when we are given that P has a start of 5 seconds, it basically means that P starts first and then after 5 seconds Q starts. Now when it has been given that P has a start of 10 meters, it means that P starts first and after P covers a distance of 10 meters, then Q starts. So P has a head start. Similarly now, at the end point, when we say that Q has won the race by 10 seconds, this means that after Q reaches the end point, P still takes 10 more seconds to reach the end point. Okay, and now lastly, when we say that Q has won the race by 15 meters, it means that when Q has finished the race, P has to still cover a distance of 15 meters. So we'll be looking at an example from these concepts. Now we have been given here in a race of 100 meters, A beat B by 50 meters or 5 seconds. So A beat B by 50 meters and A beat B by 5 seconds. So first we have to find the speed of B. Now if it has been given that A has finished the race first and clearly it has beaten B by 50 meters. It means when A has finished the race, B has still 50 meters to go, and it has also been given that A beat B by 5 seconds. So when A has finished the race, B will still take 5 seconds to finish the race. So what does this mean? So this means that, so we'll be looking at A part first. This means that B will travel the last 50 meters which is still left in 5 seconds. So the speed of B is nothing but distance upon time, which is 50 upon 5, which means 10 meter per second. This is the speed of B. Okay. Now it has been given that it's a race of 1000 meters. So the total distance is of the race is L, which is 1000 meters. Now what is the time in which B will complete the race? So time in which B will complete the race would be distance upon speed of B, which is 10 meter per second, which we found in the previous part. So this will come out to be 100 seconds. So this is the time taken by B to complete the race, and it has been given that A beat B by 5 seconds. So the time in which A completes the race would be 95 seconds. Now A covers 1000 meters in 95 seconds. So what is the speed of A? It would be 1000 distance upon speed. So distance upon time, in fact, so which is 1000 upon 95. Now if we can simplify it, it would be 200 upon 19 meter per second. This is the required speed of A. Now in the last part, we have to find out time taken for A to complete the race, which is TA, which we already found in the last part, which is 95 seconds. So this is how we solve these kind of problems.